Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek, and in this guide video I'm simply going to guide you on how you can log out or sign out of all devices from your Amazon account. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to log out of all devices on Amazon. In this guide video, I'm simply going to guide you on how you can log out your Amazon account from all of the devices. Now, by far, I have found the best possible solution to this, so you want to make sure to simply watch this video till the end. First of all, we are going to simply open our Amazon app, but before that, make sure you have updated it to the latest version. If you haven't updated, go to your app store, in the search box, type in Amazon Shopping, and then go ahead and simply download or update the Amazon app. After we've updated it, I'm going to simply open Amazon, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are also logged into your account. So make sure you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, you can see this is how the home interface is going to look like. Now what you want to do is, from the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to see this profile icon at the second option. Go ahead and simply tap on this profile icon. As you tap on our profile icon, we're going to be taken to this page right over here. Now at the top, you'll find 4 options which says your orders, buy again, your account, or your list. We want to go to the third option, or also could be the second in your case. You can simply tap on the option which says your account. As we tap on your account, you'll be taken to this page where you have the settings to actually customize many things. You want to scroll down all the way to the bottom of the screen until you find an option called Manage Content and Devices. Right under Account Settings, you'll find an option which says Manage Account and Devices. Scroll down, scroll below, scroll a little bit until you actually find this option. Once you find this option, go ahead and simply tap on Manage Content and Devices. As you tap on Manage Content and Devices, you'll be taken to this page right over here. Now over here, you can see this is how it is going to look like, and at the top you'll find options such as Content, Devices, Preferences, and so on. We want to go ahead and tap on the second option which says Devices, and as you tap on Devices, it will show you a list of all of the Amazon apps installed on devices. You can simply tap on Amazon right over here, and it will show you a list of the devices on where you are currently logged in at. If you want to log out on these devices or from your Amazon account, what you want to do is simply tap on this button which says Deregister. Now this is the best way to actually remove your account from other devices. Go ahead and simply tap on the Deregister button. As you tap on Deregister this device, you will see your device will be deregistered from your Amazon account. Go ahead and simply tap on Confirm and tap on the Deregister button right over here. Once you do that, you can see that the deregister process will successfully take place. So these were the ways on how you can very easily log out of all devices on Amazon. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.